Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss Laplace transform part 4. Here, I will cover a GATE question which is asked in 2011 to 2000, 2014. Okay, and now start first question. An input xt is equal to exponential e to power exponential minus 2t ut plus del t minus 6 is applied to an LTI system with impulse response ht is equal to ut. The output is means ht is given, impulse response of any system is given, and when applying the input xt, then asking about yt. So yt will be ht convolution of xt. Otherwise, we can get yt Laplace inverse of ys, and ys we can get hs into xs, okay, in s domain. So first of all, find out hs. So what will happen? hs will be 1 by s, and xs will be, take it, exponential e to power minus 2t, then it will be the 1 upon s plus 2 plus del t minus 6. So then it will happen e to power minus 6 s only. Okay, now multiply it for ys. Then ys will be hs into xx. So 1 upon s into 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 by s e to the power minus 6 s. Okay, so ys will be, take it partial fraction, 1 by 2 and s plus 2 minus s plus 2 plus 1 by s e to the minus x, 1 by 2 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 by s e to the power 6x is one ys. Okay, now take it Laplace inverse and it becomes yt. So 1 by 2 ut minus e to the power minus 2t ut plus ut minus 6. So answer will be a exponential ut, take it common ut, and then you want half. Where is the half? Here. In both, half is here, and here is the 0.5 and exponential in option D and ut minus 6. So right answer will be option D. Okay, I'm confirming it. Yeah, option D will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. fs is equal to, given Laplace transform of ft is equal to 2 into s plus 1 upon s square plus 4s plus 7 in the initial and final value of ft are respectively. They are asking about initial and final value. Let's see. For initial value, in time domain, ft t tends to 0, and s domain as hs, sorry, here as f now. So function f as tends to infinity. So find out fs is given, multiply s to s plus 1 and s square plus 4s plus 7 s tends to infinity. So it will be 2s square plus s upon s square plus 4s plus 7 s tends to infinity. So divide by s square, then you will get the 1 plus 1 by s, both numerator side and denominator side, 1 plus 4 by s plus 7 by s square, and s tends to infinity. Put it s tends to infinity, then we will get 2 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 0 plus 0, then answer will be 2. Initial value we will get 2, and for final value ft t tends to infinity is equal to s fs s tends to 0. Multiply it as 2s plus 1 and upon s square plus 4s plus 7, s tends to 0. Then what will happen? When we will put the s tends to 0, then we will get 0. So answer will be 2 and 0. Which option? Option B is right answer. Okay. Option B is matching with option B will be right answer. Comes to next question. The unilateral Laplace transform of ft is 1 upon s square plus s plus 1. The unilateral Laplace transform of t ft is. Solution. Here is given ft Laplace transform fs. Okay. And asking about t ft Laplace transform. Okay. So we know that the formula when time is a multiplication for any, so Laplace transform of t to power n ft. Okay, if ft is Laplace transform fs, then time multiplication, then minus 1 to power n. If power t has how much power, it depends upon negative sign. Okay, and that much we have to differentiate it. D as and in S domain. Okay, fs. So here is the only t multiplication, then minus 1 to power 1 t f t multiplication and d upon ds, and value is 1, so 1 times it will be differentiate and s square plus s plus 1. Okay, so negative, when you differentiate it, then what will happen? Here a negative sign and it will be the minus 1 and s square plus s plus 1 whole square, and this one 2s plus 1. So right answer 2s plus 1 upon s square plus s plus 1 ka whole square. Okay, so of which one will be the right answer? 2s plus 1 s square plus s plus 1. So option D will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer. Okay, now comes to next question. The impulse response of a system is ht is equal to t ut. For an input ut minus t, the output is. So, very simple. Impulse response ht is given. Ht is given t ut. Okay, then they take the Laplace transform. Then what will happen? Good morning, sir.